about the BRICS, I mean, US right now, I will tell. So, this video I'll be talking about the BRICS. BRICS is an alliance which is shaping the future of geopolitics and global economic structure. And it consists of 5 major emerging economies in the world, including Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Initially, it was called BRIC when it was founded in 2006, including only 4 members were Brazil, Russia, India, China, and later in 2010 it was joined by South Africa, making it BRICS. And right now this alliance, this globe, consists of about 40% of the world population and contributes around 25% of global GDP, so making it a big, impactful alliance. The main goal of BRICS is to ensure an economic cooperation in economic trade, as well as the financial coordination, and also bringing security to its members. And the major breakthrough of the bloc is the establishment of New Development Bank (NDB), whose main function is to fund any infrastructure projects in the emerging nations. Each member brings the different aspects, different expertise to the club, to the group. Brazil being a major producer in agriculture and natural resources, then Russia brings the defense as well as high energy sector, then India, which is a hub for technology and services sector, then China, which is a manufacturing powerhouse, and South Africa, which is connecting the African continent with the bloc. BRICS, and recently there has been joined by few other nations, bringing the dynamism of Middle East as well as sharing the resources of Middle East with the club. And those nations are Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE. And the club, the alliance, has played a vital role as well in safeguarding the interests of the member nation from being influenced by the Western institutions, like Western dominated institutions like IMF, World Bank. So in that scenario, NDB is playing a major role by financing all the infrastructure projects so that they don't have to rely on the Western dominated institutions. Along with it, the major role of the BRICS is to ensure political coordination. When I say political coordination, it means that the major global political decisions are not being dominated by a single country or region, whereas to be taken collectively by all the nations. So that is what the BRICS is ensuring with this, and ensuring global support, ensuring support to all its members who are being part of it in a financial as well as a political way. So it is not only a global financing group, whereas it is also bringing a diversity of resources